Welcome to this course on how to use an iPad for teaching. The first thing I'm going to do is show you an iPad and show you the buttons and switches that you can find on here. Normally it's a good idea to keep your iPad in a protective case. Here we've got one where we can switch it on and easily access the screen and the various ports and buttons, but I'll take it out of the packet and show you in more detail. So at the top here we have a small button which, if we press that, the screen will come on, and I'll slide the bottom along here and there I've got my screen. If we look closely at the top, you'll see a tiny hole. That's the microphone, and then next to it is the headphone socket. You don't necessarily need to use headphones, because at the bottom of the device you'll see a built-in speaker, and also at the bottom of the device we've got the port which you use for charging, but also for connecting to perhaps a PC or a Mac to transfer data. On this side you'll see there's nothing at all, but on the other side there is a switch which can do various things, including volume up and volume down, depends on the application, and a little slider here which can be set for one of two things. It can either be set to lock the rotation screen, so if I flick it down you'll see it comes up to tell me the screen is now locked, and if I put it back to the top, now when I rotate you'll see the device rotates as well. Now in the settings, which we'll show you later on, you can change that so that it does the mute function. However, personally I prefer it to do as the lock rotate, because if you hold the volume down that will also mute, so I prefer it as a lock rotate. Now this is an iPad 1, so there isn't a camera on the back, but the only real difference between this, the iPad 2 and the iPad 3, is a small little camera in the top corner. And that's it. So you've got your button here which will always take you back to the home screen. You've got the power button there which will put it into standby mode, so you'll see now it's completely off and now it's on again. Like I say, you've got the ports there to plug headphones in, and you have got a built-in microphone, and at the other end you've got your charger, computer, Mac socket, and you've got your built-in speaker. Okay, thank you.